What's up, everybody? Welcome to an mxbikes video. Today I'm testing out this track called Waterfall MX Park, whatever. It's called Waterfall. I'm testing it out on a gasgas 252 stroke. If you guys like my videos, let me know. And like I was saying in the Oak Hill Raceway video, I know how to make custom graphics. I just don't know how to, I can't get them in my game. So, sadly, my team cannot get custom graphics. And my friend's bike, his mxbikes, does now work. So we can now actually officially launch A-Team Racing. I think, a little spoiler on the next video, but I think I'm going to download Walnut and I'm going to test out that track. And I also kind of want to test out this Green Point training facility. So, I'm going to try to get those tracks. Let me know some other tracks to get. I might get Unadilla, stuff like that. Okay, so I really do like this track. I think I'm definitely overshooting everything. This track is a little rough, but I kind of like it. My friends told me that this was a pretty hard track, and they probably mean off of like the texture, the roughness, but I honestly like it. It's kind of like realistic. Well, the dirt doesn't look that realistic, but I think the feel when you're riding it feels like realistic with the bumps. And I just came off the track there. Okay, so that's the finish. Let me know some bike recommendations, any graphic recommendations, anything that you guys want me to do, any tracks I should get, stuff like that. I think I'm riding pretty good right now. Oh my god, I'm dead. I think I'm definitely gonna have that problem happen to me a lot. So if I can stay on the track during that jump right there, I definitely will be able to have a good lap time and I'll have good lines. Right now, this is only my second lap on this track. I'm still trying to find good lines and stuff. I say I'm gonna hit this one. Yep. Slow up. Oh my god, that just messed up the entire lap. Okay, so my current fastest lap time is 1:35.66.85. Oh god. Jimmy. Let me know like tracks to get and stuff like that. I think I'm actually gonna do like my first race on this channel soon. If I can find one, I'll start recording on. I'll do it. Crap. That line always messes me up. I gotta remember that jump so I can get my lines down on that. For this jump, I think I'm gonna take that line. I'm gonna take this. Actually, let me see how fast this is. Yeah, no, I don't like that. It's not that fast. I'm gonna try to go for the middle here. Let me know this fast. Oh, that might have been my fastest line. Oh crap, that's not a good line right there. Take that line right there. Oh my god! Oh crap! Damn. I almost just killed myself there, boys. Oh my god, I'm dead, bro. Crap, I probably should have put gear on. I have no drip right now because I forgot to put gear on. I gotta remember that this is the jump right here that I keep overshooting. Oh, I probably should have hit inside. I still might be able to take the inside. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's way better. You gotta take the inside and then you gotta kind of whip it up so that you can still hit the outside line. I think I'm gonna take middle line. Hop over that. Oh yeah, that's definitely fastest lap. Oh crap, scrubby? Nope, and I just killed myself. Ruined that lap. Oh, why'd I go in? Here's a thing about me. I hate inside ruts. I literally hate inside ruts. Even in real life, I only will take the outside rut. Like when I'm ripping around, I only will take the outside rut. Outside and middle. Normally just outside because I normally don't do 3 rut corners. But probably middle. Normally middle or outside. Right here I'm taking inside only for the good things I need to do. Like that. That was not good. If I could actually like get that jump. I don't think I actually need to jump that much. I could probably just step on it. Like I don't have to clear it. I could probably just land on the middle. God, I always wash out in corners. I don't know why. I gotta clear that. I gotta clear that if I want to go fast. That's how you gotta go fly. Okay, I just went off the side. Okay. Flying right now. And I'm off the side of the map again. I think I'm gonna get like I think I know a track to get. I just don't know the name of it. It's like the Oasis or something, the OA, I'm pretty sure. I think I'm gonna get the OA. I'm gonna do some rides at the OA. going outside. I'm sending it. I'm sending her, baby. Send her, bud! Oh my god. I can't whip that because it's like you turn in the air a little bit. It's not like straight. I don't really like turning in the air, so. Okay. I think I'm gonna go inside here. Then I'm gonna hit middle. I gotta clear that, bro. There's no way. Okay, I gotta clear that if I want to get a faster lap time. I'm not going fast right now. I'm going so slow. Oh my god, I just barely hung on there. Oh, my ghost just barely hung on. And I just wheelied over backward. Ooh, whoa. I can actually see you can actually see your tear-offs. That's cool. I never knew that. I want to check replays and I want to see how good I can actually whip. So I'm going to do a whip and then I'm going to check the replays to see how I actually whip. Or I could just go in external view. But I don't like external view, so I'm just going to do the replays and see how good my whippies are. So I want to know how good my whippies are. Oh my god. Ride the top of that rut, that's crazy. That was horrible. That was actually dog crap. There's this one track that I had, and I kind of want to download it again. It was called Steezy 93. Recommend it. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It's like trails, and you can get absolute steez on that track. Oh my god. Alright, I better get steez. If I don't get steezy here, I have no steez. I can do it better here. If I was on my 4/5, maybe. 2/5? I don't know. I don't know if I know how to get steezy on a 2/5. 4/5? Probably. I definitely can get steezy on 4/5. Bro, that's like the perfect steezy jump right here, bro. And I keep selling it. I'm literally selling all my steez, bro. Sometimes this game makes me feel angry. That was no steez, bro. I'm not gonna worry about that, and when I think I do get steezy, I'll go to the replay mode. I'm not riding good right now. That was actually pretty good. Peace out, guys. This was my video. Bye.